Good day, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're bringing you an exciting update on IPTV and how it can revolutionize your streaming experience using the Amazon Firestick. Firstly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest in tech updates, and be sure to visit 2tv.store, the best IPTV provider available. Now, let's dive into installing IPTV on your Firestick. Begin by navigating to the home screen, select the search bar, and type Downloader to facilitate the installation. Once located, download the app, open it, and enter the IPTV service URL provided by 2tv.store. It's crucial to ensure the URL is inputted accurately to avoid any errors. Proceed by downloading the IPTV app and allow installation from unknown sources by enabling it in your settings menu. After installation, you can open the IPTV app, enter your login credentials, and voila, endless entertainment options await you. This easy tutorial ensures you maximize your Firestick usage seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and visit 2tv.store for the most reliable IPTV service. Happy streaming, and see you next time.